Welcome to another episode of a podcast, The Marketing Chat Room. In this one, we're talking about behemoth bounce backs. These are the companies which were extremely popular at a time but had to face some sort of failures. There will be stories of how these companies bounced back to the top again. We'll be talking about companies like Apple, Netflix, Reddit, and Marvel Studios. If you want to jump to a specific company, so you'll find timestamps listed in the description and also chapters in the timeline of this video. And what is this, you might be wondering? You know what to do. To support this channel, please subscribe to it and also press the bell icon. It will provide you notifications every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it.
अच्छा रुक जाओ भाई,
तो
बाल सही करने हैं।
हाँ भाई
यार मैं कुछ भी
और
कर लूं लगूंगा तो वैसा ही व्हाट्स द
फर्क नहीं
पॉइंट
पड़ता, वो मन
ऐसे
की
वाला।
शांति है, मन की
Plus one.
शांति है वो।
केविन मलोन
+1 behemoth बिल्डअप तो बोलने वाला था फिर से।
Okay, take three.
For
Take
this
three.
Action.
So for this podcast we have Ashit and Supratim as usual and Akriti Amar.
व्हाट्स अप
Hi Ashit.
डैम नो शिट वी हैव आकृति विद अस
Akriti finally agreed to come on the panel.
Akriti
Hi.
in the house.
executive committee of Toastmasters
Exactly, and let's discuss what the hype is about. Akriti, हम लोग marketing वाले लोग हैं. We all want to get into marketing, right? And Akriti has been working in this domain for the last 2 years, and वो पूरी marketing chain handle करती है, from zero to infinity. So just imagine कि what all we have to learn from her, भाई. Next level, भाई. Next.
That is a sort of
Abhi.
an exaggeration, but I'll take it.
executive
Executive. For this week, the topic is behemoth bounce backs. हम लोग electricians पे खेल रहे हैं, and last week जो हमारा topic था that was behemoth botch ups, right? So इस बार हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि वो कौन सी कंपनीज हैं जो बहुत हाई पे थी, but they have slumped a lot, and फिर eventually they bounce back and are at a better level or at a previous level. ठीक है? So Akriti, would you like to begin?
Yeah, sure.
हाँ.
So at the top of my mind, the company that comes when we talk about a V-shaped recovery is Reddit. Yeah, and more importantly, because the kind of impact that it has had right now, it is very difficult to understand and believe that it has ever come down to such a point where it was about to go non-existent. Okay, but there's a very interesting lineage that is sort of attached to Reddit, because when Reddit started, it was not like those companies where the product was a failure and then the company did not had an idea of what to do and users did not know about it. It started off pretty well. The main aim of Reddit was to provide users a platform for all sorts of discussion, but it was not a unique kind of a platform. What gave it an edge over all the other platforms at that point of time was the fact that users at Reddit could discuss literally anything, provided it was legal and provided that they were not crossing the lines of dignity, human dignity, right? So people felt very comfortable discussing on niche topics, all sorts of topics, with other platforms were not very comfortable. But what happened now, since there was so much freedom, there is bound to be misuse of freedom. So people started going in haywire directions. There were subreddits. Now what happens in a subreddit is that it is kind of a channel. In YouTube we have channels, right? So on Reddit we have subreddits. So people started using very weird and came from anonymous handles and started using subreddits for pornography, lead nudes of celebrities, etc. So eventually what happened was that moderation had to be increased. And this was not an event that occurred once or twice. It was over a period of 3 to 4 years. Now consider the impact that a company receives when such kind of an event occurs continuously. So there was a huge blow to the company over a period of 3 to 4 years. Users started gradually not using that platform. Also because other more interactive platforms like Facebook, Orkut, etc. started surfacing up, which were a little more convenient. Yeah.
This was around 2000.
So which were a little more convenient and they had graphics, etc. So people sort of related more to it. Now what happened, that was the lowest point of company. Users started switching away. there were no the online the average time of people being online started reducing so much that the management worried about it, that what they could do.
Hmm.
So, but now this is where the interesting part is, because they realized that there is no way that we can bring back the users through our marketing campaigns and blah blah.
For sure.
The only way that they brought the customers back was being posing themselves as a fake customer. So what they did was they created anonymous handles, started tweeting about very niche topics. So the company started hiring the people, and what they had to do all day was create subreddits on Reddit of niche topics, and then make sure that it reaches the people who are very interested in that particular genre. And then people started noticing it and trickling down. And then when they had substantial amount of users, they very gradually started moving away from those fake users. So this is how they faked their way to the top. This is a very interesting company comeback that we have seen in the past.
Right.
And you see the kind of topics that it provides, the kind of topics that it provides relates
Actually, very
to
wide.
Marvel. Yes.
From
There are
movie
all
description.
kind of people
And
there. Music,
Very
TV,
comics.
etc.
I'll tell you what. So recently I was watching the series called Californication. There are so many subreddit threads about the smallest of the things. I don't even know how many threads I would have created this way. And then comics, each and everything you want to see about MCU or any universe, Zack Snyder's cut, everything is there, So
For
these
sure.
people actually did a pretty great job.
And
I
the
think
strategy
content
they
is
use,
key.
it is very much evident in India also. For example, if a new restaurant comes up, तो वो क्या करते हैं? They bring अपने ही family के लोग बिठा देते हैं, and they
Yeah.
True.
they park their own cars in front of their premise or फिर to show कि यहाँ पे लोग आ रहे हैं, and this is a place which is working fine.
Right.
ठीक है? And
So there's a term for this actually.
What?
Like, so businesses starting up using their family. The term is FFFs, which is family, fools, and friends. So if you have any business, these are the first people to come up and support you or invest in your business without actually taking equity in it. So family, fools, and friends are the ones who
Fools
are the
included.
first customers. Yeah, fools
So it's
included.
like- So it's like press F to survive.
Yeah.
3 times.
ठीक है.
And of
Right.
late, these people have become so famous for the GameStop episode, right?
हाँ,
I mean,
this Robinhood wala subreddit or something, no? Which
Yeah.
Elvin Capital being such a big
Power.
company. So
Absolutely.
Stock
and talking
manipulation
about
actually,
these
yes.
comic books discussions, these fan theories are also a lot of subreddits work on these fan theories also. Game of Thrones की fan theories निकलती हैं, Marvel की निकलती हैं. And talking about
Absolutely.
Marvel, हमें everyone is such a big fan of Marvel. ये discussion चलते रहते हैं कि DC बड़ा है या फिर Marvel बड़ा है. But how Marvel started?
Is there even a debate here?
Yeah, exactly. People say this, no? But Marvel was a knockoff of DC. DC started in 1938. हाँ, DC started in 1938, and Marvel saw कि ये तो काफी अच्छा कर रहे हैं. We should also come up with ऐसा कुछ business. In 1939, they came up with their own comics of superheroes. ठीक है? And for 1-2 years they did fine. मतलब उनकी comics निकलती थी. Not a lot of people were reading it. But then World War happened, and at the same time they came up with this character Captain America. ठीक है? And Captain America is based on fighting Nazis, fighting Germany से लड़ाई हो रही है. एक तरह से एक parallel line पे ये दिखाते हैं वो लोग. So this caught up a lot, and
Right.
people related to it at that time बहुत ज़्यादा, and बहुत ज़्यादा blow up हो गया Captain America. ठीक है? So after that Marvel caught up, DC के साथ comparison करने लायक हो गया वो, and अगले 5-6 decade तक अच्छा चला सब कुछ. So let's skip these 5-6 decades. फिर क्या हुआ? 1990 में there was a time वहाँ पे collector boom आया था. In USA, there was this term called collector boom. People were frenzied about all the things they could collect: stamps, trading cards, trump cards, ठीक है, collectibles like coins, ठीक है, हर चीज को collect कर रहे थे, thinking कि after a time, after about 10 years, 20 years, बहुत ज़्यादा value बढ़ जाएगी. ठीक है? So comic books were also one of these things जो लोग काफी collect कर रहे थे. अब मार्वल का मैनेजमेंट इतना इंटेलिजेंट, दे केम अप विद दिस आइडिया कि अब देखो कॉमिक बुक्स के रीडर्स तो लिमिटेड है, ठीक है, एक रेट से ही ग्रो करेंगे, जैसे नए बच्चे आएंगे, नई पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज होगी, वैसे लोग कॉमिक्स बुक करेंगे, पर उनको सेल्स इंक्रीज करनी है अपनी. दे केम अप विद दिस आइडिया कि लेट्स स्टार्ट अ स्कीम जिसमें अगर आप 5 मिंट कंडीशंस की कॉमिक्स लाओगे हमारे पास, तो हम आपको 5 कलेक्टेबल कार्ड देंगे, मतलब बिल्कुल रेयर कलेक्टेबल कार्ड्स, ठीक है। एंड कलेक्टर बूम चल रहा है, सो पीपल स्टार्टेड बाइंग 6 कॉमिक्स, 5 फॉर कलेक्टिंग एंड कीपिंग देम रैप्ड अच्छे से कि आगे जाके इससे कार्ड्स लेंगे, एंड एक को पढ़ पढ़ के फाड़ने के लिए, ठीक है। सो ऐसे उनका काफी बिजनेस ग्रो किया। बट इन 1995 लाइक एवरी बबल दिस ब्लू, मतलब फट गया वाला। जैसे कहते हैं ना कि हर 10 साल में एक बबल आता है और वो फटता है। 1990 में
Right.
कॉमिक वाला था, 2000s में इट वाज द इंटरनेट बबल,
Internet, yeah.
2008 में इट वाज द क्या होम लोन
Stock market, housing market,
हाँ,
yeah.
हाँ,
हाउसिंग मार्केट
हाँ.
वाला बबल, एंड 2020 में बिटकॉइन कौन बोल रहा है, ठीक है ना। सो हंस दो भाई, काटना पड़ेगा मुझे।
YES, no bro, I'll shoot you. It's not a bubble, okay?
और भाई just controversial statements all around.
Hey,
सारे
यार।
चुप हो गए।
सब चुप
भाई
है।
अभी से कहते हैं बबल, भाई क्या कर रहा है? Anyways, yeah.
ठीक है, so what happened was 1995 में this bubble blew, और 1996 में Marvel had to file for bankruptcy, ठीक है। अब ये बहुत छोटी सी चीज है कि हाँ कट ओवर एक्टिंग है।
क्या दिक्कत है, करो तो दिक्कत है, ना करो।
ठीक है so,
चलो चलो चलो, हाँ।
है ना। तो एक तो ये वाली चीज हुई कि दिस कलेक्टर्स बबल बर्स्ट, और दूसरी चीज ये हुई कि उस टाइम पे लोगों को भी लगने लगा कि ये सुपर हीरो वेयरिंग केप से मार्वल कैसे सोच सकता है पैसा कमाने का। तो ये पब्लिकली लिस्टेड कंपनी थी, ठीक है, एंड लोगों ने अपना पैसा निकालना शुरू कर दिया। सो काफी ज्यादा इनके स्टॉक भी स्लम्प हुए। 1996 में दे हैड टू फाइल फॉर बैंक्रप्सी, एंड बैंक्रप्सी में देयर इज दिस टर्म कि एक ये भी
Chapter 15.
पार्ट होता है, चैप्टर 11, उसमें ये पार्ट होता है कि अगर आपने बैंक्रप्सी के लिए फाइल कर दिया है तो स्टॉक, जिनके पास स्टॉक की होल्डिंग है, दे डोंट हैव अ से इन हाउ यू वांट टू रीअरेंज योर कंपनी, ठीक है। सो ये बहुत अच्छा चीज उनको मिली, एंड देयर वाज दिस पर्सन जो एक्शन फिगरीन्स, पता है जैसे टॉयज होते हैं, ठीक है, तो
G.I.
टॉयज,
Joe, हाँ हाँ
हाँ,
हाँ।
हाँ.
तो टॉयज बनाने
Yes.
वाली कंपनी का एक ओनर था हु केम अप ऑन द बोर्ड ऑफ मार्वल, एंड वो काफी इंटेलिजेंट है, ठीक है, काफी ज्यादा मैनेजमेंट माइंड है उसका, एंड बहुत ज्यादा मिस्टीरियस भी फिगर है वो। डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प के साथ उसकी फोटोज हैं, एंड सारी इसकी जो फोटोज हैं दे आर क्लिक बाय स्पाइस, ठीक है, डिटेक्टिव्स। कोई भी पब्लिक अपीयरेंस नहीं है उसकी, कभी उसने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस नहीं दी। तो आज की डेट में भी वी डोंट नो मच अबाउट हिम, बट ही केम अप ऑन द बोर्ड ऑफ मार्वल, एंड उसने पूरी तरह से चेंज कर दिया। उसने क्या डिसाइड किया कि we'll sell these rights of superheroes to other companies like Sony, like to Fox, ठीक है, एंड उससे they'll get the money। तो वहां से उनको थोड़ा सा फायदा हुआ। तो 2002 में काफी,
X-Men वगैरह ये लोग सब सेल
हाँ,
किया।
2000s में एक्समैन आई थी, 1999 में ब्लेड आई थी, एंड 2002 में पहली स्पाइडरमैन मूवी आई थी, एंड इट वाज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय
Spider-Man,
सोनी, राइट, एंड
Oh.
इट ब्लू अप कंप्लीटली, ठीक है। बट मार्वल डिड नॉट मेक मच मनी, मतलब उनका जो बिजनेस है उसको सफाइस करने के लिए इट वाज नॉट इनफ। तो दे थॉट कि ऐसे नहीं चलेगा काम, वी नीड टू प्रोड्यूस आवर ओन मूवीज, ठीक है। सो 2004 वाज अ टाइम व्हेन दे थॉट कि लेट्स गेट सम कैपिटल टू मेक आवर ओन मूवीज। उन्होंने मेरिल लिंच करके कोई कंपनी है, इफ आई एम प्रोनाउंसिंग इट राइट,
Merrill Lynch, yeah.
तो उन्होंने उनसे कांटेक्ट किया, एंड दे गॉट $525 million ऑफ वर्थ ऑफ लोन, एंड द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट सेड कि अगर 7 साल में यू कुड नॉट रिटर्न दिस अमाउंट, तो आपके जो सबसे फेमस सुपर हीरोज हैं उनकी राइट्स, इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स हमारे पास आ जाएंगी। यू जस्ट हैव 7 years टू रिटर्न
Okay.
ऑल दैट मनी, ठीक है। सो जस्ट इमेजिन कि कितना प्रेशर होगा, जो अभी तक उन्होंने सब बिल्डअप किया है वो 7 साल में चला जाएगा, है ना। सो
And 7 years comparatively is not a very long period of time
Yeah,
for
they've
that
been existing
capital.
since 1930s,
you're
yeah.
just entering an
Exactly.
entirely new business एक तरह से। आप मार्वल
Yeah.
स्टूडियोज एस्टैब्लिश करना है उनको, जो अब मूवीज प्रोड्यूस करेगा।
All in.
ऑल इन, एग्जैक्टली।
ऐसा भाई,
All in or
yeah.
all out.
Yeah.
ठीक है। सो
Right.
दे स्टार्टेड यू नो प्रोड्यूसिंग दीज फिल्म्स, एंड 2008 में आयरन मैन आई, ठीक है। आयरन मैन वाज द फर्स्ट मूवी दैट वाज इंडिपेंडेंटली प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय मार्वल स्टूडियोज, एंड अगेन इट ब्लू अप कंप्लीटली। मतलब उस डिकेड की शायद सबसे ज्यादा पैसा कमाने वाली वो मूवी थी।
Iron
I
Man,
hope
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
not exaggerating
I
it,
see.
but हाँ,
No,
and
no, no.
and Robert Downey Jr. अभी Marvel is so much attached to Robert Downey Jr. ना, उनका कुछ भी इवेंट होगा, Junior is present there. वो रीजन
Yeah.
यही, उसकी पहली मूवी थी, and Marvel was on the verge of collapsing, and Downey was the person who acted in this film, and it blew up completely. So इसलिए इतनी रिस्पेक्ट है उसकी। So this happened. काफी ज्यादा पैसा कमाया उन्होंने. सोनी की नजर में मार्वल आया. उसने कहा कि 2009 में कि let's buy this out. And उन्होंने मार्वल को खरीद लिया. And they got enough money. उन्होंने मेरिल लिंच को वापस कर दिए पैसे. ठीक है. And presently आप देख
Nice.
रहे हो कि it has been उसके बाद 12-13 साल हो गए हैं. And Marvel has made an entire universe. ठीक है. And people are so much connected with this कि अगर थोड़ा सा भी कोई मूवी आती है हल्की सी, people have to watch it because they want to be a part of this universe. उनको हर चीज पता होनी चाहिए क्या 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 हो रहा है. And recently they have started these television series also, WandaVision and
Yeah.
Ant-Man and the Winter
Daredevil.
on these
Daredevil.
OTT platforms, right? On
Yeah.
Hotstar, I guess. So
And when you are in the theater,
Netflix,
you
Netflix.
identify a true Marvel fan when
हाँ.
you see that he's actually sitting even after the credits. Because वो Marvel का signature है, right?
Yeah, the
Yes.
post-credit scenes, yeah.
Post credit, yeah.
Yes.
and almost everyone
Yeah.
sits. आज की डेट में तो सब लोग बैठते हैं, एक दो को छोड़ के.
हाँ.
I'm actually waiting for
सबको पता चल
Eternals.
ही गया ये Marvel है.
Eternal.
Have you seen the
Yeah.
Eternals का trailer?
No, I haven't, but मैं
I saw the teaser
What?
उसका trailer है. But बहुत ज़्यादा buzz create किया है Eternals.
Yeah. It's got Salma Hayek and Angelina Jolie, man. What do you need?
yeah.
Yeah, amazing.
So
So this guy, like, like these people, जैसे Robert Downey Jr., he's been in like 23 movies. मतलब since his introduction, he, मतलब Marvel के जो chain of movies हैं, series में, he's been in 23 movies. And उसका एक personal brand है जिसके चलते मतलब people are attracted towards Marvel movies.
Definitely.
definitely. Iron Man
He
is
has
the league of its
created
own.
that image.
Yeah,
It's,
man.
seriously.
There's a dialogue.
And-
That's how Dad does it. That's how America does it, and it's worked out pretty well so far.
For sure.
That's one of the dialogues in the first Iron Man. Yeah.
Right.
Right.
And अभी when they came up with the Punisher, उसके बाद they came up with Daredevil, and उसके बाद like Marvel के TV series वाला जो genre था उनका वो अलग ही boom हुआ.
Exactly.
And talking about these series, the OTT that actually streams it, Netflix, I think it is another example of behemoth bounce backs.
When did it
Why
go
am I
live?
saying this? Why am I saying this? Is because we have always spoken about first movers advantage, right?
Right.
We have never spoken about first movers disadvantage.
This
They're
advantage.
exploring the
True.
uncharted waters.
Huh.
And Netflix started in like 1998 with like a DVD store where people can come in and buy DVDs. And how they actually made a difference was that they were continuously pioneering, right? They started the online queues, right? You can actually queue up online and you can get their DVDs. And then in 2007, they came up with their video on demand, the online streaming of
Got it.
movies and TV series. But with this, what exactly happened was that there was a new law that came in America that, when you are actually giving these streaming services, there is a huge amount of, how do you get those things? The franchisee thing from those particular production houses, that has to be a huge amount that has to be paid. And Netflix gradually realized that, okay, now we are not going to make a lot of money, so we need to do something. Then this Reed Hastings, right? He's the guy who was behind Netflix, since the beginning of the innovative. So he announced that, okay, what we are doing now is that we've got two sections. What we'll do is, अपना जो DVD वाला है, the DVD you go and purchase, उसका अपन एक अलग company बना देंगे. और video streaming जो है, Netflix will only be associated with streaming. ठीक है. इससे क्या हुआ कि जो consumers थे, उनका जो cost था, जो subscription का, that went up by 60%. ठीक है. Now people revolted. Within one financial quarter, July से September वाला उनके 2011 का 800,000 subscribers dropped.
My goodness.
And
8 lakh.
That's huge.
एक quarter में July 12th they made this announcement, and by September इतना बड़ा downfall हो गया था उनका जो stock value था, that fell by 50%. ठीक है.
My God.
And उसके बाद फिर Reed Hastings came and he's like, okay, so we have done this because of a lot of reasons. He told them that, okay, these all things are going on, and that is the reason we are doing this. Within 6 hours of that announcement, Facebook page जो था इनका, उस page पे 21,000 comments आए, सारे के सारे negative comments, ठीक है. But उस टाइम पे Facebook की एक policy थी, ठीक है. In order to comment on a page, you need to like that page. उसके चलते इनका popularity boom हुआ. ठीक है. People got to know overall across oceans ki there is a company called Netflix,
Netflix.
and it is one of the giants, but right now it is undergoing a slump. ठीक है?
So it's like
2012
बदनाम हुए तो क्या हुआ, नाम तो हुआ.
Yeah,
exactly.
There's no publicity
Exactly.
like bad publicity.
Right.
Yeah.
There is no publicity like bad publicity. 2012 they had to dissolve this Quickster company, and then they started this. But what Reed Hastings was planning behind the scenes was that he'll start his own production house. The reason, no issues of franchisee, you do not have to pay royalties to anybody, and you are the one who owns it entirely.
Netflix
They came up
Originals,
with
right?
what,
Yeah.
yeah, the Netflix originals.
Huh.
The game changer was House of Cards,
Oh.
and Orange is
man.
the New Black.
Oh.
These were the
Okay,
two
originals का बात
series
था.
that
Oh,
came.
amazing.
Yeah.
They were like one of their first productions,
Uh-huh.
and उसके बाद से Netflix is like booming अलग level पे, ठीक है?
Exactly.
So right
2016
now-
Narcos came and it shot, man. Like,
Narcos is
Crazy,
one of
right?
them for sure, man.
Yeah.
अभी उनका जो सबसे बड़ा प्रोडक्शन है, that is The Crown, that has that
Oh,
around 130 million वो लोग उस पे इन्वेस्ट किया.
Invest करते
तो
हैं.
That
The Crown वो
is
Queen Elizabeth
another
वाला.
level.
हाँ.
Another level. That's
अलग
so-
level.
I don't think I have the maturity level to watch it. मैंने भाई 1.5-2 सीजन देखा है, I was like मैं थोड़ा बोर हो रहा हूँ.
And that show is so relatable. It's like there's no fiction, almost no fiction in that show, except for
पूरा चीज़
perceptions,
related.
because you portray
Yeah.
characters on the basis of perception. So
Yeah.
otherwise, it is an awesome show.
Amazing.
Right.
Yeah,
And
it's
आज के
funny.
डेट में like जो Netflix के जो टीवी सीरीज है, they are around like उससे Amazon Prime का जो टीवी सीरीज का कलेक्शन है, that is around like 3 or 4 times more, ठीक है? But revenue wise and अगर तुम देखोगे subscription wise, Netflix is the market leader, because उन लोगों का अपना कंटेंट इतना अच्छा था कि 2018 में they actually beat HBO in the Emmys, ठीक है? Like they were the top nominated ones. तो वो लोग का एक अच्छा इन्वेस्टमेंट था. This is something that they did not foresee कि people will retaliate.
हाँ.
But then उसके बाद they recovered so well that now it is one of the most popular ones.
हाँ,
I have a
totally,
question
this
for
is-
Utkarsh and Akriti यहाँ पे,
हाँ.
कि जैसे we know कि Netflix India का top 10 का list we see, right?
हम्म.
What was the most watched Netflix show in US in 2020?
Friends.
Friends,
For sure, Friends.
for sure, friends.
YES, no.
The Office. The Office.
Oh,
The Office.
Get out.
मेरे लिए दोनों सेम है.
Oh, so you're a Friends enthusiast as well?
हाँ, मतलब Friends and Office are the thing, ना.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
Yeah. I'm really happy for
I'm
Office. मतलब मैंने this is the most recent show I've watched. I'm really happy कि Friends से better किया उसने, so way to
Yes.
go. Yeah, go Office.
Way to go.
Nice. And Netflix also has been, so if you see technologically also they're very sound. So they have this recommendation system. You must have seen 98% match or 90%
Yeah.
match. So that is actually based on a lot of machine learning algorithms predicting your choices and how much you might like the movie. That there's only a 10% chance that you might not like this movie, but 90% chance that
And
you will
you
like
know
it.
what? They came up with this as early as in 2001. And in 2006, they actually laid out an open challenge globally that if anyone can develop a better recommendation
Recommendation
algorithm
system,
than
yeah.
us,
हाँ.
they'll
Definitely.
pay $1 million.
And that was not
Yeah.
just a challenge. वो कह रहे थे कि if you have a better algorithm than us, please give it to us. हम आपको
हाँ.
पैसे देंगे उसके लिए. Around.
हाँ, पैसे देंगे. So these
I
companies,
think all the yes, sir. Please go ahead.
नहीं.
नहीं, आकृति, नहीं.
So,
आकृति का
so
warrior, I
I
guess.
think one common thread that weaves around all these companies that we have discussed and we will be discussing going forward is the fact that the reason why they have made a V-shaped recovery, why they have come back after going so low, is because they were always very open to new ideas and technologies.
Definitely.
Even Reddit, for that matter, it started accepting Bitcoin for as early as 2014, and we are so mad about Tesla accepting
Right,
Bitcoin,
and-
like, oh my
and
god,
actually-
it's so futuristic.
And Akriti, you talking about this Dogecoin, right? It also blew up
Yeah.
because of
Yes.
Reddit only. मतलब क्या होता है Reddit पे? If
Yes.
you like a
हाँ.
post, you have to award. If you want to award it, तो आप award कर सकते हो उसको in some monetary value. So Dogecoins was invented, and people started using Dogecoin to give awards to post or post creators. So Dogecoin का
yes.
वहीं से increase हुआ, and now we all know कितना दुख
Right.
फैला है.
It's actually pretty
Dogecoin पे.
crazy, यार. मतलब भाई बहुत दुख है. Actually, I was really close to investing in Ethereum.
हाँ.
अभी थोड़े दिन पहले, ठीक है, like I don't know, 18th May. I was thinking about missing.
Oh.
But you know what? The transaction didn't go
God save
through.
you.
And then I talked to my mom. I was like, I'm in the process of simplifying my life. She said, okay, fuck it, don't invest. Okay. So I was like, fine. But then the very next day, bro, there was a crash. Like Chinese companies, they announced that, regulation on mining companies, and it fell. And then Elon Musk also, this loudmouth said that, you know, these companies, they have these cryptocurrencies, they have a high footprint of energy, this and that, and it tanked. So touch wood, I got saved by the bell. But all these companies, you know, as Akriti said, there's a common theme of, you know, early adoption and technological advancements, right? So that is, it sets, innovation is what sets these companies apart. And one of the primary, or I'd say a behemoth of innovation would be Apple. You know, like these guys have been innovating time and time again.
It is synonymous to innovation by mere liye to.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely.
Amazing. I am myself a fanboy, although I couldn't afford it. That's another story, but a fanboy definitely. So the thing is that these guys just started with Apple One was the first computer which came into the market. First quarter, they had a sale of about 300,000. Second quarter, they had a sale of 200 million. Aisa kuch hua tha, like, or second year, they had a sale of 200 million. So meteoric rise. That was Apple 2, I believe, the one with the sale of 200 million. So the story which goes is Apple One, okay, great success. They got good money. They got people to invest 250K in them. Apple 2 comes up, meteoric sales. They are very well known in the valley now. Apple 3 couldn't, you know, this is all, by the way, Steve Jobs still now. Apple 3 couldn't make a dent that far. Then, you know, Steve Jobs got in touch with Pepsi's CEO, John Scully was his name. He came on board, and then they launched this cutting edge, rather bleeding edge computer called Apple Lisa, because it was started to be, you know, a great graphical program, but the cost was extremely high. You know, it was $10,000, I believe, in that time. So it was extremely, like, enormously high. And then other companies like IBM stepped in, although they thought that personal computers won't be a thing, but they still stepped in. And then their computers were significantly cheaper. So Lisa was a failure. And then came the Macintosh. So Macintosh was slated, you know, as, you know, one of the highest anticipated releases. People were waiting for 3 years. There was actually a countdown, a timer of sorts going on that is 8 saal baad, you know, Macintosh would be released. People actually went haywire. It released, initially it went well, because of its, again, a mouse attached to it and all the shebang back in the time.
And the UI too.
Good
UI very much ahead of its time.
Ahead of its time. So UI as well. But then again, it was slated at 2,500 USD, which is, I don't know, 1.5 lakhs back in 1985 or 1990s, I believe. So then also after like the first quarter, the sales tanked. And then, you know, the board was like, that was it for, you know, this guy, Steve Jobs. John Scully actually said, ki, bhai, you know, let's keep him away from operations. So Steve Jobs left, he started his own company next. But meanwhile, what happened was that John Scully, they started pouring a lot of money into R&D, okay, and developing a lot of products as well. So what happened was they were coming up with new products, but they weren't exactly selling out. And then the product portfolio grew so much that even Apple salesperson were confused as to what product fits the best needs of a customer. CEO after CEO, 2 or 3 CEOs changed. Finally, in 1997, I believe, is when they bought Next by Steve Jobs. So that was just a ploy to get Steve Jobs back into the company. The then CEO, I don't know, his name was Gelmani or something with G. He thought that Steve Jobs could revive this company. So Steve Jobs came back. He isolated that CEO. And then one of the most precious moments of history happened actually in the technology space. So why Macintosh, or I believe Apple computers were lacking? Because in the time of absence of Steve Jobs, Microsoft have come into the picture, right? And everybody was using Microsoft Office suites, which is Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint presentation. Apple didn't have that at that point of time. So people were bound to get the cheaper computers from Microsoft. So that was a big problem. And the innovation as well, you know, plus they were in dire straits. They didn't have the resources, you know, to even like last for 2 or 3 years. So what this guy does is he goes up and calls this guy, Bill Gates, he's like, I would need. So also we have to understand, I'll just give a backstory of it. So Apple had filed a lawsuit against Microsoft for copying their UI, and Apple was on the verge of winning this. This is 1997, and that lawsuit had been in pipeline for years. So Steve Jobs calls Microsoft. He says that, dude, what we'll do is we'll drop the lawsuit, and you just give us $150 million, and you just give us Microsoft Office. That's all we need as of now.
Right.
So Bill Gates said, okay, you know, it is touted as one of the great moments where Bill Gates helped the competition. But you have to understand that Microsoft was under the scrutiny of regulation arbitrators as well, because they were eliminating competitions. Yeah, the DOJ was preparing a suit against Microsoft.
Right.
So that's not a moment of greatness, but rather a symbiotic relationship. So that's when, you know, they invested that money. Apple got Microsoft Office in their operating systems, and then it took off. Then iMac came in 2000. That went, you know, on the next level. The sales were up. But then there was a revolutionary thing which stored 1,000 songs in your pocket at any given time. That was iPod. So iPod has sold 8 million units in its lifetime from 2000 to 2010. And then, you know, Apple, from innovation point of view, what they do is that if it is not necessary, they don't need it. That is their fundamental. Like, if the headphone jack is not necessary, they'll remove it.
Product more.
Yeah, they'll remove the buttons. They'll remove the bezels. Yeah, exactly. They are in the process of simplifying everything they have. So simplification after simplification, products after products, Apple grew. But at one point of time, they were this like perilously close to shutting their gates. And it would have been such a loss for the world, man. Like, it would have been a loss.
Right, and Microsoft and Apple being arch rivals. मतलब उनके ads भी होते थे to show each other down, right? Apple ने एक ad निकाला था to show कि how.
What do you call ambush marketing?
Right, exactly.
See, that's the
that is what we were talking about. This is all we need to learn, right?
Exactly.
And I also remember that the speech where Steve Jobs launches the iPad, the iPod is the most watched speech on the internet for Steve Jobs.
Actually, pretty crazy.
It was legendary. People went crazy after that speech because
and then, you know, the beef
takes it out from the pocket. It's like, it fits the pocket.
1,000 songs.
Yeah.
And the best thing is Apple always advertises its product on the basis of benefits, not on the basis of specifications.
Technology.
What value it will provide. So उन्होंने ये नहीं बोला कि it has this much storage and all this thing. उन्होंने बोला 1,000 songs आपकी pocket में. So it is so amazing. उस time पे it was unimaginable, right?
So when the designers, they brought the first iPhone to Steve Jobs, he was sitting at his desk. His desk had a bowl, you know, where a goldfish was swimming. So these guys feel like, sir, this is the first iPhone. And then this guy sees it. He drops it in a bowl where the fish was kept.
Right.
A bubble escapes the cavity or whatever, the body of the iPhone, and he goes and says that there's still space inside it. I need it thinner, and I need that space removed.
So amazing.
That level crazy, you know, that's like fuck all.
Steve Jobs is known for being crazy as a person, too hard to work with.
I know, right? So there was
He often
this guy.
used to work all-nighters. He often used to pull all-nighters in a dark room where he used to work all by himself.
Right, almost.
There's a very interesting story. There was a guy called Kevin on Shark Tank. He's called Mr. Wonderful. Okay. So that guy basically started his business in EdTech. Basically, he built apps for educational purposes of children. So he went to Steve Jobs, and then, you know, he quoted a ridiculous price, but the product was really good. So Steve Jobs was yelling abusively, like, you should rightly price your product, this and that. He got up and left the building. He opens up a window and he's still shouting at him, you know what, come back later, but you still are a piece of teeth. So that guy was crazy, you know, he'd do anything for the company, but yeah, he was crazy.
Guys, this has been amazing, yaar. Matlab, too much learn. Akriti, thank you. Kaisa laga? How did you find this panel?
I think you guys provided way more information that I might have provided you.
No, aisa kuch nahi hai bhai.
Modesty.
We are
modest. Humble brag, you know.
Humble brag. Okay, Ashit, would you like to end it? With some
so as we all know, that the lockdown restrictions are being lifted all over the nation, but that doesn't mean you lower your guard. Okay, so you still wear your mask, sanitize your hands, stay inside if you can for your loved ones, educate ones, and for us, Utkarsh,
For sure,
because we
want to
need
get
to
on
go to the
campus.
campus. Yeah, so please stay.
Want to get as soon
Yeah,
as possible.
Let's find what the hype is
Exactly.
all about, right?
Yes.
Right. So
Yeah,
take
well-
care, guys, and we'll probably see you in the next edition.
Okay. Thank
And
you.
also
Thanks a
do
lot.
let us know in the comment section below
Please
what next topic you
unsubscribe
want us
too.
to
We
do.
just have
Yeah.
तो जल्दी सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो, and ये पहले बोल देना हम चाहिए था हमें लास्ट तक जो भी देख रहा है, अगर आप यहाँ तक पहुंचे तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल.
हाँ, true.
हाँ, कि मेहनत कर रहे हैं ऐसे थोड़ी ना. चलो, let's end it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.